So guys, welcome to awesome vitamin C immune boost filled up with collagen smoothies. If you want to know how to come up with two different kinds of smoothies, the colors looks very similar, but it's different things in these two smoothies. So if this is going to interest you, stay here, click that red button, subscribe, and I will share the amazing recipe with you guys. So let's dive into the video. Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you how to make some amazing vitamin C smoothies to help boost up your immunity, but most importantly give you a clearer, fairer skin. These smoothies are loaded with powerful antioxidants and will make you two different juice packed up with vitamin A, B, C, powerful antioxidant, magnesium, and potassium. Who here knows that I am a very big fan of you are what you eat. You are what you eat. Forget skincare. I always tell you, forget skincare. If you are not ingesting and feeding the cells in your body with the right nutrients, your skincare will not work. Period. Final period. Full stop. Now let me share with you amazing. I think I'm gonna change the lens of this camera. So at this time we can see everything on this table. I don't need to go back to share with you how to wash fruits. These fruits are already washed. I figure that the more we wash them, the more we waste time starting the video. So the first one we're going to make, you guys know my best here is coconut water. I love coconut water. I find it very refreshing with very small or zero calories. And I think today I feel like I want to break this coconut to use the water. Let me go ahead and break it. I'm going to break this on the floor just to see if this has some great juice inside. Okay, I bought them, but I don't trust the water here. Sometimes because it's not fresh, it's so mature that I'm going to break it. Let's see. So to break this, I'm gonna have to hit this on the floor. Shall I do it outside? Let me try it. I'm able to break it at the backyard. So I got some juice. So we're going to be making this with this fresh coconut. This water is not this fresh coconut water. So let's get over. So feel free to add some ice. I will make this juice, one with ice and one without ice. So in this first one here that I'll be using coconut water, I will use banana. Oh my God, powerful antioxidant, magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, everything loaded, amazing. The next one we're going to be using is strawberry. Oh my God, this strawberry has powerful antioxidants. They will help to regenerate the cells in your body, giving you glowy skin packed with a whole lot of vitamin C. Like I say, these are all washed. And in here, I have some frozen pineapple. Oh my God, pineapple, bromelain, vitamin A, B, C, packed with powerful antioxidants. And they will glow your skin and fill you up faster. So even if you're looking to lose weight, embrace pineapple. Pineapple is awesome and excellent for weight loss. So at this time, we're going to blend the first smoothie. So at this time, the first smoothie is ready. You're gonna turn it into a jar. Oh my God, it looks so yummy. Okay, the second smoothie is, I'm going to leave everything like the base is the same thing with pineapple, strawberry, and coconut water. But in this smoothie, this second smoothie, I'm going to be adding some orange. Orange is all washed up. So I will add about 1 orange. So make sure you are only using the inside of the orange. I just love to use my fingers to separate the skin from the inside. I'm gonna put it in here. So put the orange, 1 full orange in there. And I will also add papaya. The papaya is ripe. It looks green, but when you touch it, it's very soft. So we will use about 1/4 of a medium papaya. Oh my God, the papain in the papaya is excellent anti-aging. I'm gonna add more. It's excellent anti-aging for your skin. It contains a lot of vitamin C and will help to regenerate and regrow the new cells in your skin, brightening up your skin, leaving your skin very bright and subtle like baby skin. Yes, I love saving the papaya seed because I use them as black pepper. So I'm gonna put it back in this bowl. And in this one here, I will be adding some ice. So I wanna add few ice in here. This, I will also add half lemon juice. Who here doesn't know that lemon contains a high amount of vitamin C in lemon? So it's time to bring the second smoothie to smooth. Yummy. So the second smoothie is all ready. Yum. Oh my gosh. So these are packed with powerful antioxidants. Did you see the color? This is how this is going to brighten, detoxify your kidney, your system, pack you up with extra vitamin C, giving you extra boost for your immunity. So guys, subscribe, share the video. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. So amazing.